Mahama where chum. Mahama where cha E Levy.
Me say why cancel?
Mahama where cha E Levy.
You know what Joe?
No, minjindi.
I say I cancel.
Minjindi.
If you know they bbelieve, I will show you evidence. I will show you workings.
I explain it. Do my evidence.
Director,
my evidence. My evidence.
This is the Electronic Transfer Levy Repeal Bill. That's the famous E Levy bill. I'll proceed to sign it.
Mahama.
Yeah, man.
E Levy bill.
Yeah, cancel. Bill no.
I don't have back shot, man.
Yes.
No, me who does the pen literature, I mean, great continue. Mahama can do this. How only Trump?
Only Trump.
Only Trump.
Why cancel?
Mamusha.
Okay, I've just given assent to.
Hey, Jura. Stop there. No, PKB continue. What happened?
Bossu, what did they see on your screens?
Mm-hmm.
His Excellency John Mahama, on behalf of Ghanaians, has done what he told us in his campaign days.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie.
Welcome to the rich.
Ladies and gentlemen, make I welcome you guys to Pakori Studios right here. And Charlie, how now? How are things going with you? Everything cool? Okay. As you dey cool there, I get good news for you.
Good news, bang. Good news, bang.
If you don't say be investor, you be driver. Where you dey sell momo? Make I hear you say joy is coming.
Joy, bang.
Joy is coming.
Joy, bang.
Oluwa de.
I said,
Charlie, boss.
What be the vibe?
The vibe be say E Levy. You see your car, the smoke where they come out here.
That emission levels, then.
Your exhaust.
That emission levels.
Betting tax. I say investors. Yeah, cancel nina.
Oh no, I don't believe this.
Mahama has finally signed.
Mahama.
Yes, he has
assented. John Mahama.
What signed? What
cancel?
Officially.
E Levy
today.
Oh no, I don't believe it.
2 hours ago.
I said me who menu mo pada Mahama the cancel.
I say I'm telling you on authority.
Yeah, where chum? Mahama where chum? Mahama where cha E Levy?
Me say why cancel?
Mahama where cha E Levy?
You know what Joe?
No, minjindi.
I say I cancel.
Minjindi.
If you know they believe, I will show you evidence. I will show you workings.
I explain it. Do my evidence.
Director,
my evidence. My evidence.
This is the Electronic Transfer Levy Repeal Bill. That's the famous E Levy bill. I'll proceed to sign it.
Mahama.
Yeah, man.
E Levy bill.
Yeah, cancel. Bill no.
I don't have back shot, man.
Yes.
No, me who does the pen literature, I mean, great continue. Mahama can do this. How only Trump? Only Trump.
Why cancel?
Mamusha.
Okay, I've just given assent to.
Hey, Jura. Stop there. No, PKB continue. What happened?
Bossu, what did they see on your screens? His Excellency John Mahama, on behalf of Ghanaians, has done what he told us in his campaign days few months ago back in December.
Just Christmas, December,
yes.
I promise you about E Levy. Wow.
1 week pepe. After the long holidays, after the long Eid al-Fitr holidays, Mahama is still giving us extra holidays by giving us good news.
No, PKB.
Tax, yeah, cancel.
PKB, see, Mahama.
I say cool down. I say yeah, cancel.
Mahama, Charlie, this is too much for us. Mahama, you do too much. What kind of person are you? Mahama, who are you? Why are you doing this to Ghanaians?
He loves Ghanaians.
Why are you giving us triple orgasm? There, we gave you, we were too abamwa to become the president.
Yes.
Now, why are you treating us like your love, Mahama?
Please.
We
are his love.
Mahama, this is not right.
Hey.
Please bring E Levy back.
I said, cool down. You didn't bring it back.
Mahama, bring better tax back.
We won't bring it back.
Hey, but PKB,
Yeah.
even if you Mahama no go feed do this.
Yeah, then people figure say your man will cancel him, but
No, Mahama, no. Mahama, this is not right. This is too early.
the people's
Alice,
man.
I mean, Mahama come. This be the 4th month.
Yeah, 4 months of paper.
7 December to even April, you know, you don't catch
You don't
4 months.
safe.
Now, Mahama, take your time, man.
No.
Mahama, some people are enjoying E Levy. My MPP people are enjoying E Levy. MPP people are enjoying E Levy. E Levy was their birthright. It was their property. Why take E Levy out soon? And betting tax. Mahama,
Problem.
why? Why are you doing this?
We love you. I love you.
There's this Nigerian song. Jesus, you love me too much. This one is like, Mahama, you love Ghana too much. Oh. Too much, oh, too much, oh, excess love, oh. Hey! And I'm Mahama, Ghana fire and for girls and for boys. I don't understand, though. Yo, we voted for you because somebody promised God church. You know, do what?
You don't do the church safe.
Somebody promised Cape Coast people airports 1 year. Then you come in 4 months.
You can't
Taxes
cancel.
are yes soon. You come clear up.
Clear.
So PKB,
Yeah, man.
you know what we go do?
Yeah, they listen.
Ochana pass here, and sorry, send him 50 CDs.
Okay.
Then I go send it back to you.
Okay.
Then you go send it back to me.
Yeah, man.
Then I go send it back to you.
Yeah, man.
Because there are no charges.
Yes.
Hey,
Yeah, man.
hey, Kase, hey.
Kase, hey.
Kase,
Hey.
So, Mahama no kosi any president didn't want him.
What about the 3 times? This is 3rd time, of course. There's experience.
Charlie.
You need to listen to the people. Listen
Hey,
to the
it's
people.
Mahama after 4 years, he be jana ma wako.
There be you.
I'm not sure. Mahama see. Mahama we for do exchange vows with them.
Yeah.
If for be till death do us apart.
Hey, Charlie, your punchline there.
Yeah. I know this evening some idiots will be on TikTok. Especially Ghana food be no na wa brochina what's bonkon. Over TikTok live where this guys and Mahama is lying. Why when you want? Charlie by the man try.
Try.
Because ya for you we see hell.
We tire.
See the act.
Yeah, man, the acts with that.
See the act.
We are showing you Ghana.
No, Mahama, you're a professional president.
Yeah, professional.
I tell you, look at me in the face. If Mahama, you know, take E Levy, I could have killed. I could have killed. Hey, the guy is good. The guy is an experienced president. Like yo, he was trained by a professor. Shana permission or to E Levy cake. If it is my way go, the Kofoda back they tell women say, make them tell say make you know abolish.
Yeah.
You see, people don't really see that Mahama is a well-trained presidential material trained by a fancy man called Professor Fifi Atamils. In his blessed memory, was seeing some J Park.
Yeah.
And this man came and he's doing the right things. He knows what Ghanaians want. Went the president how many times?
3 times.
Intina was the first fool no be fool.
No.
Second fool no be fool. Third fool will be fool.
Yeah.
So Mahama does not want to be tagged as the third fool.
No way.
Out 8 years, ya bre in a E Levy. Small business you go do.
Bosu, you
I send 100 CDs per pack.
They will tear top. Nobody is working and they're taking all your money off.
But let me send a warning to the banks, the telcos. You see, as they clear them like that. If you don't know you play any games with that, say it has not taken effect. What sign? It that was signing and China almost started a motor.
Yes.
So you got to be serious.
Yeah, you gotta be serious.
You understand?
You gotta be serious.
You see how they swear? Charlie Mahama try. But Mahama, take it easy on us.
Yeah.
You see, we are used to pains, Mahama. Mahama, we are used to suffering. Why all this pampering? Mahama, let her suffer. We are like that woman that is in a toxic relationship.
But she loves it.
But we love it.
We love it, Mahama.
We love the bad kind of presidents, you know, the ones that will impose taxes and treat us, you know, badly.
Yeah.
Mahama, we are used to the bad way of being citizens. Why are you treating us? Mahama, yeah, we're done.
What have we done?
Mahama, we deserve to suffer. Why do you want to make us feel so good? Mahama, you will let Ghanaians become lazy. Yes, you will let us become lazy. Oh.
You are doing everything for us.
You are doing everything. Mahama, Mahama. Why? Mahama, stop. It's okay.
Mahama, stop.
Mahama, stop. It's okay.
Stop.
Mahama, the pampering is too much for Ghanaians.
The love is too much for us.
Why? We be your dadaba.
Yeah.
Farida said if you go treat him this way.
What?
Mahama. Oh, John. Oh, John.
Oh, William.
But anyway, Mahama, since you have started fulfilling your promises, please, the promises that other people went to man fulfill it on their behalf.
Yes, do it.
But make sure you don't build that cathedral.
No.
That will like you go take slap.
We go build a hospital for them.
I beg, take do sensible thing. We don't say your mind day.
Your mind
you
day.
understand? I don't say you
be
verse.
guy man.
We are not saying they watch you verse, but there's nothing you go feed because the E Levy tomorrow if you say money where they not hear you, I not go take that percentage come give me go be you. But what dream burning tea?
But the president today they tear them the E Levy so every day.
They tear everybody. Well, right now I see happy like I not go there like be like MPP people they go.
Yeah.
Tear or NDC people they go tear.
They tear everybody.
Everybody go become like you in a bed you be your home for so. You understand?
Yeah, man.
Charlie Mahama Jew too. You've really proven that you're a Ghana man.
Yeah.
Real Ghana man. You've really putting Ghana on track, man. You are my G, nigga. Mahama, you pen them, but you do one. What did they go for you do? When you see, because you have your father was to the president.
Orokodo, manon kodo the man.
What sorts of bet tax?
Oh, me okay, betting tax.
All right, Charlie Mahama, I beg you take it easy on us.
Yeah.
Nyakasa wa swing and yan when on te ya into Tobana pamping.
Tobana.
But you if not anything, you bring toll boots back, we'll pay.
We'll pay.
You understand? Yes.
We'll pay.
Now you see, Ghanaians are even calling for taxes. So you see how a good president who even give you by bring this one. Mama, please put taxes on marriage and relationships.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So that we enjoy that one. If somebody wants to marry, there should be a levy for that. At least we know that you are putting taxes on the right things.
Matrimony levy.
Yeah, matrimonial levy. You understand? Charlie, big ups to Mahama. Is that well?
Yeah, man.
Big ups. Charlie, because I be in all that. We tell them.
Yeah,
where we go. We they go that.
Yeah, upon.
I beg. Make you cap tell your mind. Make you cap talk your mind.
Akpa show for the comment section. Charlie, this one they fired.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah, how can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.